2026, we are going to see market movement. We've seen a standstill in the market for 2024, 2025, because the refinancing, we had a record high refinancing rate, which has not taken place. The can was kicked down the road. The banks did refinancing. There was no pressure from the banking side on the lenders. And we think this is going to shift because as the first one within the line is going to fall, then it's going to have a huge impact on the overall market. There even is a legal reasoning for that, because the banks can prolong on their old assessments, even if it's a soft breach, as long as the capital flow is there. Now, once that changes, they need to go into new assessment. And we think 2026 is going to be the year when, for the first time, there's going to be the pressure from the banking side on the real estate sector to refinance. Well, from the positive side, on the other hand, what we are currently seeing is a paradigm shift in the way the legislature actually treats the regulation on the fund sector. Now, what does that enable? It gives us the chance to actually pool pension money, not only international, but also German pension money, with a very direct investment ability from a fund into a JV into the real estate and the infrastructure sector, because they are taking away this huge risk of trade tax, which was always there, banning people going into sensible economic structures. They had to legally separate them and therefore destroy value within the chain. Now, shifting this from the legislative side is going to give us the ability to have a direct investment into infrastructure and commercial activities, which is going to have a huge impact from our perspective. And what is the core essence of infrastructure? It is way less volatile than real estate. So you've got a steady income stream from the infrastructure. We can combine it with real estate and therefore have a real impact on big questions of the society, like how do we live? How do we combine living of the younger and the older generation? And how do we get back to vibrant inner cities? Well, if we make them climate neutral due to the fact that we have got renewable energies and we can have a direct investment, we combine it with the real estate plot on which we are building it, it's going to be a win-win for everybody.